All right, let's get into a little RC here. We've been spending a lot of time, doing things with the power wagons, going on adventures, and just kind of messing around. We took care of some things around the house here. It's kind of what we're doing this weekend is taking care of some stuff around the house here. But I wanted to get back into a little bit of the RC because I know we got some RC fans.
Yo, yo.
Kylie, what's going on, my friend?
We just finished up dinner, man.
Nice. Have you watched the
Party
video?
time. What's that?
Did you watch the video that came out on Wednesday last week?
I did not. I've been trying to catch up on your videos. You were putting out some really good content. Are you over 1,000 subscribers yet?
No, we're at 750. That's a shame that
awesome.
You didn't watch the last video because I had the drawing for the base camps for the 50 and the 100 subscribers, and you won the 50. And I announced it, and you didn't even know about it.
I don't feel like I should win with that. I think you should do another person. I don't feel worthy of it.
It's all right.
I'm sorry, man.
You got kids. So I need to know, do you want a pink, a white, or a blue one?
Blue.
Blue. All right. I'll get your info from you and get you one.
Dude, that's awesome. That's awesome. I am
Yo, what's up?
What's going on, buddy?
Not much, man. Not much.
All right, so I'm calling you because you won the 100 subscriber, which is crazy because we're past 500 now. But you won the 100 subscriber base camp, and before we even did the drawing, you told me that you were going to do something if you'd won it. So I'll let you say what you were going to do.
All right. So over Christmas, I went ahead and bought my daughter a base camp as well, so we could go out and do things this summer while we go out camping. I wasn't thinking that I was actually going to win the base camp, but in the event that I did, I already had plans for it. So with that being said, I know that you have a certain subscriber who has a daughter. I believe the daughter's name is Gwen, mom is Morgan, and they really enjoy your RC videos. So I thought, in the idea of bonding with family, getting out and doing things as a family, building those core memories that just can't be replaced, I wanted to give the base camp to Gwen and her mom Morgan.
Give me a second, Gigi. Hey.
Hi, Morgan. So you've seen the latest video?
I have, yes.
Okay, so you saw the winners, correct?
I did, yes.
Okay. Well, here's the thing. I'm going to play a video for you.
Yes.
And I want you to watch this video, okay?
Okay.
And then we'll talk about it, all right?
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
Here go, Gunny. I'll watch another video.
Yo, what's up?
What's going on, buddy?
Not much, man. Not much.
All right. So, I'm calling you because you won the 100 subscriber, which is crazy because we're past 500 now. But you won the 100 subscriber base camp, and before we even did the drawing, you had told me that you were going to do something if you'd wanted, so I'll let you say what you were going to do.
All right, so over Christmas, I went ahead and bought my daughter a base camp as well, so we could go out and do things this summer while we go out camping. I wasn't thinking that I was actually going to witness the base camp, but in the event that I did, I already had plans for it. So with that being said, I know that you have a certain subscriber who has a daughter. I believe the daughter's name is Gwen, mom is Morgan, and they really enjoy your RC videos. So I thought, in the idea of bonding with family, getting out, doing things as a family, building those core memories that just can't be replaced, I wanted to give the base camp to Gwen and her mom Morgan.
RC cars we like to watch? Yeah. Can you say thank you? Thank you.
Get back into a little bit of the RC because I know we got some RC fans, and I got a project here that I've been wanting to mess with for a while. I actually have several RC projects. I've always got projects. One thing with Happy Hendricks, you can be assured, we always have projects. So I wanted to kind of start working on a project I've had in mind for a while. So let's take a look at it. Alright, so what I've had to do here is I took a Gladiator frame. I had this on it. We no longer need that. But I took the Gladiator frame and we had to, when it did, see if the camera focuses, I bolted it together in a few spots and then I cut it, drilled it out. It's still got a little burr there. But I cut it to a C10 length. That's what we cut off right there, because I need a C10 to complete this rig. But I really just need the frame rails, so no point in sacrificing an entire C10 just for the frame rails. Well, I got the bed cage all done. Gotta say, there's a lot little bitty screws in there, but it goes together well. A little bit of confusion on how this rear hinge assembly goes together, but just make sure to pay attention. Right there it shows you the orientation. Otherwise, so far so good. It's going together quite well. Alright, well, we got the body all together now. The next step is going to be building everything else and getting it together. We've got the front axle is ready to go in. Got the links built. Got the transmission and motor in. Got the body built. The rear axle is built. Bead locks are all assembled. So now it's time to put this thing together. The next time you see it, should be
buddy? What are you doing, buddy? Huh? Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. What are you doing? Why are you going through all that water, bud? Bubba, that's too deep. Bubba! Louie! Oh my gosh. That's gonna be cold, buddy. Come on, come this way. Louie, come on. Come on, buddy. Hey, let's go. Come on. Come on. Bye-bye. Louie's back in from venturing around. And now Mrs. Hendricks has what she calls a snackle box. This is ridiculous.
We have cinnamon butter to go with the freshly baked scones. We have Mama's mosquito juice, which is made here locally in Balmer, and it is a balsamic vinaigrette that will go with the Clamato olive bread, as well as the rustic Italian loaf for dipping. We have sea salt crackers, good old Triscuits. We have reindeer sausages from Matt Valley Meats. This one is the plain pepperoni. This one is the red hot jalapeno. Sargento's string cheese. Grapes. More of your reindeer sausage selections here. Tillamook, good old Swiss, as well as Munster. And our favorite combo from Three Bears, the hot and spicy mix and the toffee peanuts put together. So that's what we will be having for our breakfast, lunch, trail snack today.
Good job, love. Alright, so we just got done making some coffee. We got the solo stove going. The night cleared up nicely. We got our first star out. Got everything set up here. We're chilling. We're having a good time here. Time for some coffee. We mobbed in, broke trail the whole way. People are probably wondering who the hell came out here. It's Happy Hendricks.